Everyone, hope you are doing good. Myself Kasturi from AD Department, SNS College of Engineering. So in this lecture series, we are going to see about cost evaluation techniques. So cost evaluation is a critical process in the design and development of products. It ensures that the final product is financially viable and meet quality, functionality and regulatory requirements. By analyzing the various costs associated with the product development, companies can make informed decisions, allocate resources efficiently, and prevent unexpected expenses. So cost evaluation can be broken down into multiple stages from initial concept to post-production. So next comes is the types of cost in product development. So first one is the research and development cost. So these costs includes the cost of the initial design, including hiring designers, engineers, and researchers. The second one comes is the material cost. So the cost of acquiring materials for manufacturing the product falls under this category. Third one is the manufacturing cost. So these are the wages and the salaries of workers involved in the production process, including machine operators, assembly line workers, and quality control personnel. So the fourth one is the packaging and shipping cost. So the cost of materials like boxes, wraps, protection foam to package the product for shipping. Fifth one is the marketing and sales cost. So the cost of promoting the product through various channels such as digital marketing, print, TV, social media and other platforms. Sixth one is the regulatory and compliance cost. Depending on the industry and product type, products may need to undergo specific testing and certification procedures to comply with the industry standards or government regulations. Last one is the post-production cost. So for some products, particularly in electronics or machinery, ongoing maintenance cost may be necessary. So this can be include software updates, repairs and servicing after the products has been sold. Image illustrates the cost estimation process using a simple four-step approach. So first one is the define the purpose. So this is the initial step where the goal of the cost estimation is clarified here. And next one is the know the requirements. So this involves gathering detailed information about the project or task. Third one is the estimate, a plan and approach. So in this phase, the methodology for estimating the cost is determined using methods. And fourth one is the finalize the segments. So the final step complies all estimated costs from different project segments. So this structured approach helps in creating reliable and defendable cost estimates, especially in project management, construction, product development. Next one is the cost evaluation methods. So several methods can be used to assess and evaluate the cost in product design development. So cost estimation, you have to know about the cost estimation. So this method involves estimating the total cost of the project based on historical data, similar products or market benchmarks. Second one is the break-even analysis. So this analysis determines how many units of a product must be sold at a given price to cover the total cost of production. Third one is the life cycle costing. So also LCC. So LCC takes into account all costs associated with the product over its entire life cycle from research and development through to disposal. Fourth one is the cost benefit analysis. So this analysis compares the total cost of a product to its benefits, helping to determine whether the investment is justified. So next one is the activity based costing. So ABC, it assigns costs to specific activities involved in production, that is assembly, testing, packaging, rather than assigning a broad cost to the entire production process. Cost control optimization. So various techniques are used to control the cost and optimize. First one is the value engineering, VE. So VE is the process of analyzing the product's functions and cost to find ways to reduce cost without sacrificing the quality or the performance of function. Next one is the design for manufacturability, DFM. So it involves designing products in such a way that they are easy and cost effective to manufacture. Third one is the cost benchmarking. So benchmarking involves comparing the cost of similar products in the market to identify the opportunities for cost reduction. Next one is the outsourcing and supply chain optimization. So companies may evaluate whether it is more cost effective to outsource certain aspects of production or supply chain management. Outsourcing can reduce the labor cost, access specialized skills, and take advantage of economics of scale. Benefits of cost evaluation. So first one is the informed decision making. So cost evaluation helps stakeholders make data driven decisions regarding product design, pricing and resource allocation. The second one is the increased profitability. So by identifying areas where costs maybe can be minimized without sacrificing the product quality, companies can improve their profit margins. Next one is the resource allocation. So proper cost evaluation ensures that resources are allocated efficiently, helping to avoid overspreading in areas that may not yield significant returns. Next one is the competitive advantage. So products that are cost optimized without sacrificing the quality can offer a competitive advantage in the marketplace, allowing companies to price their products more attractively and capture larger market shares. Taking an example of designing a new electric scooter. So the costs involved in designing this are listed out below. So first one is the material cost. So choosing aluminum for the frame because it's strong and cheaper than carbon fiber. In terms of manufacturing cost, designing the scooter parts to be simple shapes to reduce machine time and labor cost. Assembly cost. So using fewer boards and pre-fitted parts to lower the time and cost of assembling the scooter. Tooling cost. So considering the price of making molds of or special tools needed for mass production. Post-production cost. So evaluating cost like packaging, warranties and recycling at the end of product life. So as a conclusion, cost evaluation is a vital component of product development, helping companies ensure that their products are both feasible and profitable. By carefully considering all aspects of product cost, from research and development through post-production cost, companies can optimize their design, manufacturing processes, and supply chain. Thank you.